Good evening. Hi, I am Miss Rios. This year I will be teaching Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 Honors in room 561. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, you can email me at brios@irvingisd.net. My daily office hours are going to be from 3:45 to 4:15. Yes, I am a hardcore Friends fan. Okay. Hola, buenas tardes, soy la maestra Ríos. Este año voy a estar enseñando las clases de Álgebra 1 y Álgebra 2 de honores en el cuarto 561. Si tiene cualquier pregunta o comentario, me puede mandar un mensaje a vrios@irvingisd.net. Mis horas de oficina van a ser diarias de las 3:45 a las 4:15. Okay, so you're probably wondering, well, what is algebra anyways? Okay, so the study of mathematical symbols and their rules. Algebra is the unifying thread of almost all mathematics. We will cover the foundation of functions, linear and nonlinear functions, linear equations and inequalities, and so much more. If you are in my Algebra 2 course, we will be extending what you learned in Algebra 1 and going more in depth and covering the same topics, domain and range, transformations of even more functions. Yes, there's more functions than just linear, quadratic, and exponential, so be ready. Classroom expectations are pretty basic. Be on time, come prepared with, your spiral, writing utensils. I like to color coordinate all my notes, so if you are on my same wavelength, make sure you get yourself colored pens. Most important of all, make sure you have a positive attitude and you're ready to learn. Again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to email me at vrios@irvingisd.net. I cannot wait to meet y'all. Have a good night.